2-pack game day chairs. Stadium chair with back support is lightweight. Portable chair with handle for ease of transport. Bleacher seat with a hook to stabilize on wooden and metal bleachers. Comfort padded chair. Folding chair for indoor and outdoor events. 3 thick padded seat and padded back support up to 500 pounds. Floor chair for bleachers, benches or ground seating. Superior safety. The bleacher hook secures the seat to any bench and rubber treads provide additional grip to prevent sliding for a worry-free seating experience. Top review. Game changer. This seat feels like I'm sitting on a pillow compared to sitting on a hard cold basketball bleacher. I'm also pleased that the seat is higher than other seats. I can see over people while sitting in bleachers. Product measurements. Overall size, 18 width by 14 depth by 18 height. Seat size, 18 width by 12 depth by 4.5 height. Back size, 13.5 width by 13.5 height. Folded size, 18 width by 15.5 depth by 6 height. The seat cushion is 3 thick and the seat height is 4.5. Ships in several boxes, may ship separately. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. Makes soccer games so much more enjoyable. I should have bought this years ago. Makes stadium seating so much better. Wet seats? Not a problem. Cold seats? No worries. This is the best. Other parents always ask where I got it. I bought it over 2 years ago from Amazon for about $35. Well worth it for that price, but still worth it for what they are charging now. My only wish is that there was some sort of carry bag. FYI, I'm very petite so it helps when the row in front is vacant and I can rest my feet on that seat.